Hello everyone. In previous video we studied about what are invertebrates, their types and importance. Today we are going to learn about arthropods, the largest group in the animal kingdom. Welcome to my science diary. Today we will learn about what are arthropods, why they are important and how they are classified into the groups and what are the main features of the arthropods. Arthropods are the animals that do not have backbone. They have jointed legs, a hard outer covering called exoskeleton, and a segmented body. Arthropods are very important in nature. Some help plants grow, some clean the environment, and some even give us useful products like honey and silk. The defining features of arthropods, the largest phylum in the animal kingdoms, are jointed appendages. This is the characteristics from which the phylums get its names. Greek word arthron means joint, podos means foot. Arthropods possess paired jointed limbs that are highly specialized for various functioning like walking, swimming, feeding, sensing, and defense. Exoskeleton. They have a rigid external skeleton or exoskeleton primarily composed of polysaccharide chitin. What is their functions? It provides structural support, protection, and a surface for muscles attachment. Growth. Since the exoskeleton is non-living, it cannot grow, arthropod must periodically shed the old skeleton and secrete a new, larger one, a process called molting or ecdysis. Let's understand it in easy way. Insects, spiders and crab, they have an outer hard shell which is called exoskeleton. This shell protect them, but it does not grow as the insect grows. Imagine you wearing a jacket that never get bigger as you grow taller. So what do insects do? They shed their old shell and grow a new one. This process is called molting or ecdysis. They have segmented bodies, no backbone, open blood circulations, and they are cold-blooded animals. Arthropods are divided into the 5 main groups based on their body structure. Number 1, Insecta, insects. Insects, they have the 3 body parts and 6 legs. Most insects, they have the wings. Next is Arachinida, arachnids. Arachnids, they have 8 legs and no wings. Spider and scorpions belongs to this group. Next is crustaceans. Crustaceans mostly lives in water and they have hard shells and many legs. Examples: crab, prawn, lobster. Next is Myriapoda, many-legged creatures. They have the long bodies and many legs. They live on the land. They have the segmented bodies. Examples are centipedes and millipedes. Next is Trilobita. Trilobita are an extinct group of arthropods. They known only from the fossils. Arthropods, including insects, spiders, crabs, and millipedes, are the Earth's most diverse animals and play essential roles in the ecosystem and humans' life. Why arthropods are super important? Number 1, food factory. Who here ate fruits today? Thank an insect. Bees pollinate the fruits and vegetables. Your mangoes, apples without bees equal no fruit. Number 2, soil cleaners. Who clean up the park? Ants, beetles eat dead plants and animals, turn waste into the rich soil for the crops. Next is bird lunch. Sparrow, frogs eat insects daily. No insect equal hungry birds. Our food: shrimp, crab, prawn equal your dinner. Honey from bees equal your sweet treat. Farm helpers. Ladybugs eat bad crops best. Save farmer money. So simple truth, no arthropod equal no food chain. So next time you see a tiny insect, remember it's a superstar in the natural world. Why are arthropods called the most successful animals? Because they survive in air, land and water and have strong body protection. So arthropods are the largest and more diverse group of animal on the earth. Keep learning, keep exploring science with my science diaries. See you in the next video.